Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home North. My name is Dawn, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cool, light dessert that provides the perfect finish to any summer barbecue. This dessert is easy to make and uses ingredients you might already have at home. I'm going to show you how to make an ambrosia fruit salad, but not with the typical understanding of the word. Ambrosia in this sense means something pleasing to the taste, and by that definition, this salad is a winner. The first step is to drain the syrup from 1 can of fruit cocktail. Let it drain for about 30 minutes to eliminate most of the liquid. Save that syrup for other recipes to make, such as a lovely fruit-flavored popsicle. While the fruit is draining, I would like to let you know that 70% of my viewers are just like you and have yet to subscribe to my channel. There is no cost to subscribe, and when you subscribe, you are helping content creators like myself get noticed. So now that the fruit is drained, we're going to pour it into our mixing bowl. Add 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, add 1/4 cup of table cream. Now I'm using 18%, but half and half cream is all right as well. And finally add a half dozen maraschino cherries. So now we want to lightly fold the ingredients together just to get them mixed up. I'm going to place a cover on it, and I'm going to throw it into the refrigerator for 8 hours. Or you could also put it in the freezer for about 3 hours. I haven't done too many recipe videos on my channel, but when this collaboration opportunity came to me by Gail Southern Living, Yogi Hollow Farm, and Granny Moreno, I couldn't resist. So here I have one of the fruit salads that I kept in the freezer for 30 minutes. Look how lovely, deliciously creamy it is. Make sure to remember to take the fruit salad out of the freezer 30 minutes before you want to serve it, so that the fruit can unthaw and give it back some flavor. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you here at Home North on the next video. Really?